Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Vauxhall Grandland X Sport Nav. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 128 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 43 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 12 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 34,000 miles with full service history from Vauxhall. This particular colour is called a metallic diamond black and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first of all, we've got the nice raised driving position being an SUV. The seats are half leather and really supportive. There's a couple of cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And on the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has ApplePlay and Android Auto as well. A few other features, you've got your automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card, you've got your 4 electric window controls, as well as your folding mirror switches as well. Opening the rear doors, you have a good amount of leg room and headroom there in the back, so really practical for getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have a USB port there in the middle, as well as 2 air vents. And as we open the tailgate, you have the good sized boot there, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then you also have the adjustable floor, which you can lower or raise, as well as some storage underneath with your tyre inflator kit there as well. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors and the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we'll offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.